Hello BabyCro! Today we are reviewing Mutsy I2 2-in-1 stroller. Practically all the models from Mutsy brand are not only functional and completely safe, but also incredibly stylish. Light and firm aluminium frame, safety belts, a cradle and a walking block in the kit make this model as practical as possible. The cradle belongs to zero group and is designed for babies from birth till 6 months. The walking block itself is of 0+ category and is destined for babies from 6 months till 3 years. Mutsy I2 2-in-1 has the following characteristics. The kit is a perfect fit for kids from birth till 3 years. The cradle is installed on the stroller chassis. The surface inside the cradle is solid. A soft mattress with a mesh cover should be placed on it. The mattress cover can be taken off and washed quite easily. The cover inside the cradle is smooth to the touch and can also be easily removed, since it is fastened to the cradle on Velcro. The kit includes a cradle cover that protects from wind and cold. It is mounted to the cradle on magnets and is made of material which is nice on the touch. So you can just cover the cradle and it will automatically fix. There is a small visor which can be attached to the cradle using the buttons at the bottom of the hood. The cover is also equipped with zip pockets. In the frontal part of the cradle, on the side of the bases, there are also pockets for all little things. The cradle cover itself can be easily removed. It is zipped to the cradle along its bottom part. The hood is quite large, made of 2 sections. You can raise the rear sector and see a mesh fabric behind it, for better air ventilation in the heat. The wrapped part of the hood can be fixed with a Velcro strap. In the previous position, this part is fixed to the cradle on magnets. You can also unfasten the front part of the hood, fold it back and attach to the hood on Velcro. The hood can be adjusted using the buttons on its both sides. You can easily raise it with one hand from the lowered position. You can remove the cradle from the chassis. To do so, move the clamps on the stroller chassis on both sides of the cradle. While moving them, a red indicator will appear on the clamps, which shows that the cradle isn't reliably fixed anymore. Then lift it up using the handle on the hood. Now you can install a walking block on the stroller chassis. Five-point safety belts will securely fix your baby. To unfasten them, press the central button. The height can be adjusted. For that, the straps have to be slid through the holes in the back cover. The belts are equipped with soft chest pads. They are fixed to the belts on Velcro. To avoid slipping, there is also a soft pad in the groin area. The seat is quite soft and ergonomic. It can be easily dismounted, since it is mounted on the base and fastened to the footstep on buttons. The bumper upholstery is made of pleasant material, eco-leather. It can be taken away as you seat the child by clicking the button down at the bumper base. You can also take it off completely. The footstep has a solid frame. You can adjust it by pressing the buttons on both sides of the footstep. You can choose a comfortable position for your child's legs. The seat back can be adjusted in several positions by pushing the handle behind it down. Together with this, when the back reaches its maximum permissible horizontal position, the seat and the footstep are also regulated, so that the baby can sleep comfortably. The hood consists of 2 sections and a visor for additional protection from the sun. You can hide it within the hood. You can also make the hood bigger. By unfastening the zipper on the back, you can see another section and the hood becomes extra big. There is also a meshed window in the hood. The hood cover is attached on Velcro. You can also attach it by a Velcro strap when the window is open. A walking block can be installed both facing the mother and the surrounding world. To dismount the block, do the same as with the cradle. Move the clamps on the chassis until the red indicators appear and remove the block. To turn the block facing the mother, you need to remove the handle on the fastening elements that helps to install the walking block to the stroller. Then you can turn one part of the fastening in another direction and fix it at the chassis of the stroller. Wheels are rubber but not inflatable. Front wheels are slightly smaller and rotatable. There is a possibility of fixation. For that, turn the wheels to the back position and slide the handle over the wheel to the side. To unblock them, turn the handle to the previous position. You can also take the wheels off by pressing the button over the wheel in front. Then you just need to pull the wheels out. The wheels are equipped with strings, which improve their shock-absorbing properties. Rear wheels are big and can be fixed. To fix them, press the brake pedal on one of the wheels. At this move, both wheels will be fixed. To unblock the wheels, raise the pedal up. There's a basket for keeping things. It is not very spacious, yet you can carry all necessary stuff in it. The handle upholstery is made of eco leather, which is very pleasant to the touch. The handle can be adjusted in height. To do so, you need to press the central button on the handle and pull it over to you. It can be lowered the same way. To lower the chassis of the stroller, pull the clamps on both sides of the handle over to you. Then lower the handle. Afterward, press on both handles on the sides of the chassis and lower all the construction down until it is fixed. To lift the stroller, loosen the clamp on the side and lift the chassis by holding the handle until complete folding. The weight of the cradle with the stroller is 12.8 kilograms. Together with the walking block, it comes to 12.5 kilograms. Mutsy I2 2-in-1 model is another success of the Mutsy manufacturer. It perfectly suits the kids from birth till 3 years of age. Stylish design, functionality, smoothness during walks, all these features make this model comfortable, practical and stylish. We hope this review has been useful for you. See you soon, and remember to subscribe to our channel.